Check it out, man. Another box Chevy. Another box Chevy in the junkyard. 78 Impala. Now, 4-door, but you know, still. Another box Chevy makes it into the yard. So don't look too bad from behind. This angle, anyways. That's Bill Cates Motors, Fort Worth. Tail panel looks good. Tail lights actually, it's got a tail lights cracked there. Quarter panel extensions don't look bad. The deck lid don't look bad either. Back bumper looks straight. Yeah. This quarter panel extension doesn't look bad either. Let's take a look around towards the front. That's a shit. Looks pretty straight from this angle, right? I'd say so. Back up here, get a better shot of it. Got a little dent right here, I can feel. I think she's solid though. But you know, she had a rag top though. This you could tell it's gonna be hiding underneath this vinyl top. I bet I can pull that up and there'll be a bunch of rust. Door's clean though. This one outside. Same with this one. Got your mirror. I see it bubbling right here though. You see that bubbling? Yeah, it's not good. It's not good, it's not good. Fender looks good. Yep. This extension here looks good. Yeah, still nice and pliable. Heck yeah. Obviously you can tell they took the front end off of it. This looks like a nice hood too. I'd say she's a nice hood. Looks like it. Windshield does not appear to be cracked. This bumper, she got a little ding there, I can see. That issue going on there. Yeah. I know they had plastic in these. Huh. Little plastic inserts said. Oh, that was cracked right there. Is that one alright? Yeah, that one's still in good shape, this one. Bumper guards though, the rubber. It's all hard now. Here's the other side of it. Got a dent right here. I think she took a hit here. Yeah, you can see it right there. This extension is probably still usable, but the bumper's it's trashed. It's just this piece is metal. It's bent up right here too. Other than that, it's pretty straight. Let's see. I think she got the full set of the hubcaps. Got some dings in them though. Oh, man. It's a nice hit there. It's a nice. You know what? I don't know. I was gonna say, did they do this in the yard? I don't know if that was done in the yard or not. Maybe not. No. Got a dent here, a little dent there, some dents there. See, we'll look under the hood real quick. There's all that still there, but come on. Well, the carburetor's gone. It was a 2-barrel. Everything else seems to be for the most part there. Not sure. Is that 305? I guess it's 305 there. Yeah, 305, 1978. Yep. Yeah, dirt dauber. Been sitting for a minute. Oh yeah, let's see. 2006, so we're talking what? What's that? 12, was it 6, 16, 13 years? Look at all the buildup of the leaves and crap. Dash is cracked. It's just bubbling right there. You can feel that. That's a quick car. Alright, let me lower this back down. If I can. It's always a pain to... There it is. I don't know what they would do. They did this here. This here, they bitched that up. There's the mirror for it. Actually, there's the mirror right there itself. She's moldy, man. Look at that steering wheel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I was trying to say the mileage on this says 2004. I guess they were next service due 10/28/04, or 115,000 miles back in 2004. Yeah. She's been sitting over 10 years easy. I said dash is cracked. The dash pad anyways. There are the knobs. I took them off. I got that panel right there. That panel was in really nice shape. Show it to you in a second. What's in the back here? Calendars. Oh man, you can't even recognize who that is anymore. I don't know how old that is. Yeah. Looks like new at the time from Albertsons. Some Bears clothes. I see some Avon stuff, but that's about it. Look on this side. What's this? More Bears. Just a bunch of random, just household stuff I just threw in the back. I put that there. I didn't want to sit on that, so moldy. Say headliner. Actually, the headliner isn't even sagging. I'll be damned. Nothing's in the glove compartment. Nothing there. There's the bezel. It's in nice shape, not even cracked on the edges there. I just take those if I got them. I think I got like 2 or 3 of them now. And finally, we'll take a look in the. Actually, let me take a look, see if I can see anything underneath. Just. I would say she's solid underneath too. Look here real quick. That's it for the most part. Right? Yeah. Alright, let's take a quick look under the trunk. And not much of anything. Check it out. USA. Who remembers Western Auto? They still even have those? I grew up, we had a Western Auto. It's pretty cool. They had all sorts of stuff in it. Anything from auto parts to guns to, live fish. Pretty much, hardware, anything you needed. Nice. I don't know if those things even still exist. That's it, man. Close is good. There she is. Another box Chevy. Soon to be crushed. Alright, man. On to the next one.